guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another vlogmas. Today it is the 13th day of this vlogmas and yeah, so Mio is getting crazy here and this is what she likes to play with. See, just I don't know what's going on with my cats today. So, my lights are not on. Unacceptable. So, much better. So, as I was saying, what I was saying? Well, anyways, welcome to my channel, welcome to another vlogmas. Today it is the 13th day of this vlogmas and well, actually today's video is not going to be like so Christmas related because I just got home from work and outside my door was waiting a beautiful package for me, only for me and just for me, only and again only for me. And this is a package from INSTYLE. It is a beauty box and it is the winter edition, and I was like super freakless excited to open that and see what I've got. So I will share that with you. So as I said, today is not going to be like so much Christmas related, but oh my god. So another box for my kitties to play. So this is the box and this is how the products are always come in. And so let's see, when you open that you get a magazine, and in this magazine it's like an info, you know, for all the products you are receiving. So I had to change the camera. Okay, so now let's go back to the beauty box. So it comes with this huge amount of paper. I'll just put it here. This is insane. Okay, so let's dig in and see what products I have. So this is the first product, and this is a anti-ox renewing cream gel. Reactivates radiance, corrects wrinkles and protects the skin from daily aggressions. It's a normal to combination skin. It has like a bunch of active ingredients, as you can see. Okay, so let's see. This is how it comes in a small jar. So I'm not going to open that, and this product I will add to my giveaway, so stay tuned. As soon as I hit 1,000 subscribers, you will be receiving these products. Okay, so now here we get some cookie. That is nice. And you know what? I will eat that. Now, even though I'm on a diet, because, you know, before Christmas I have to lose some pounds. Just in case. It smells delicious and it seems to have like a bunch of cinnamon.
That tastes good. Yeah. But the only problem with that cookie is that it has walnuts, and my stomach will be like, hello, do you want to come in?
And that is going to kill my stomach. I'm gonna be like in this pain that you can imagine, but I had to eat it, so whatever. Okay, next product. It's a multi-effect beauty blush, number 2 in cranberry, from I don't know, Sante Cosmetics. It has like okay, my cats are destroying things around here, so excuse me, I'm trying to film right now. Just take your ass a little bit down. So it has a pleasant scent, like I don't know what it smells like, but it is pleasant. So these are the colors, and I will swatch super fast the colors. So I have the first shade, then the second, like that. Can you see them? So these are the first 3 colors from the first row. Let's clean that up. And let's try the other 3 colors. Ooh, they are like very pigmented from the last row. They're not bad. Well, it's a nice palette. You know, you have like so many colors for a blush, and some of them you can also use them as a highlighter, especially maybe like this shade and maybe like this one, because they seem to be a little bit lighter on the color. Yeah, it's not working. Okay, so next we have a it's a serum. So this one, oh my god, she wants to eat that plastic from the cake. Now that's enough, Fifi. I think, yes, this is with hyaluronic acid, and it is just crazy here. I can't film with those two. It's insane. So it comes like that in a small bottle. That seems so cute, and this one as well goes to my giveaway. So next will be, oh, that is nice. This is a very, very good lip balm, especially in the winter. If you get like these dry lips very fast, that is a good lip balm, trust me. I have been using this lip balm for a few years now. So this one also goes to my giveaway. Now next I have a brush. a huge one to apply, I think, yeah, to apply powder and bronzer. This is very cool, and this one as well I will be giving away. Next I have, oh, a plate, and that is a cute one. Pretty Little Things. How beautiful it is. That is nice, and that I will keep for myself. So sorry, that is so cute. I like, you know, like small plates and stuff like that. So next we have this face mask, and it says the first step to a softer skin in the winter. Moisturizes, nourishes and protects your face in cold winters. Works perfect against dryness and flaky skin due to the cold. Instructions: wash your hands and face, apply a thin layer on your face and leave the mask on during the day. So this one also goes to my giveaway. And next in line we have a shampoo. It's a full size, and this is what I like actually on all of the products that I get from INSTYLE beauty box, because every product it comes in a full size, and that I like very, 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 very much. Yeah, so this one also goes to my giveaway. So I don't know if you like this brand and if you ever tried it and stuff like that, then you will be getting that as well. And last we have this bubble body wash pad, this one. And what is that? So it says the wash pad has been specially designed for detoxification and deep exfoliation of the skin. Dead skin cells are effectively removed, pores are purified and reduced. At the same time, the skin is nourished, hydrated and protected from dryness. So as I said, this one goes to my giveaway. So I think, well, actually all of the products that I've got from INSTYLE Beauty Box, except for the plate and this blush palette, it's going to my giveaway. So that is nice. And I have as well a card. This is so nice and thoughtful. Yeah, and this is everything I have here on this beauty box winter edition INSTYLE. As I said, I really like this beauty box because of the products are coming in this full size, and that is very, very nice. Okay, so now let's move to advent calendar. So first advent calendar will be Essie as always, and we are going for door number 13. Let's see what I've got. Ooh, again a nail polish, and that is a full size one, and it is like gray color, and this is so beautiful. So this one I will be trying at the end of this video as always. Thank you very much. Then we have Maybelline, and we are going for box number 13. And let's see what we have here. So it's definitely something small, but I don't know what it is. I have no idea what that is. Could be an eyeshadow. Oh yes, it is an eyeshadow. brilliant. So this one, it's called Nude Glow, the number 40. I'm not going to be opening that. I want to try that just because I want to have it on my giveaway products. So you know what to do to get all of these products. So the last advent calendar, it is the one for my babies, and we have day number 13 or door number 13 or whatever. So of course, dry food, and here it is. Okay guys, so this is for today's video. As I said, a lot of this product that I've got from today's beauty box from INSTYLE are going together with some products from Maybelline on my giveaway as soon as I hit 1,000 subscribers. So that means just go and click that subscribe button below right now. Just do it now, and give this video a big thumbs up. I do hope you enjoyed it, and tomorrow I am coming with some other very funny stuff, and I promise it's going to be like more Christmas related. I promise that. I really promise that. Honest, and yeah, now I will try this nail polish. And as always, I will see you tomorrow. Bye!
Christmas decorated in town. Among all the tinsel and lights, I'm strolling around, just wondering where you have gone to. Are you just around the corner?